Zapier versus Pabbly. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Pabbly versus Zapier. In order to do that, I have made this table which will demonstrate the difference. If you talk about the integration, Zapier have over 6,000 plus apps and services, while Pabbly only have 300 plus apps and services. If you talk about ease of use, Zapier is beginner-friendly interface, while Pabbly have steeper learning curve, and especially for webhooks. If you talk about free plan, Zapier, yes, with limited zaps you can use free zap. If you talk about the Pabbly Connect, yes, but with the limited connections. To talk about the pricing, Zapier gives you $20 per month, while the Pabbly starts at $15 per month. If you talk about the customer service, the Zapier have extensive documentation tutorials and live chat, while the Pabbly has limited resources and primarily email support. If you talk about the advanced features, multi-step zaps, conditional logic, and webhooks can be used at Zapier. If you talk about the Pabbly, it has limited to basic automation workflow. Now, this was the difference. Now, it totally depends upon you, whatever you want to go with. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.